Hey everybody, what's up? Texas Nova here. I got another update for you. This time, it's not about a Nova. This time, it's about a Corvette. This time, it's about changing a water pump. Let me tell you, I got a water pump from Walmart. What did he... Did you just say Walmart? Yes, guys. That's right, Walmart. Walmart.com. Got me a pretty good smoking deal. So check this out. So I went down to the dealership and said, hey, I need to change a water pump. Guy told me $950, well, close to $1,000. Any way you look, $1,000. It's like, God damn, $1,000? How much is a water pump? He said $450. I was like, you know what? You can keep it. And you know what? I'm going to go do it myself. So you know what? I digged around some internet and digged around some YouTube, and I found a way to change it out. It's pretty simple. I'm going to show you guys how to change it. And you know what? All these other channels didn't tell you how to save you some money. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you guys how to save some money. And that right there, boys, is from that right there. So Walmart.com, if you guys want to look right there, that is a AC Delco. Wow, $211 right there. Okay, went in and got me a thermostat with it. Up there, see, look at that, Walmart.com. Wow, $211. And the dealer wanted $450 some odd dollars. I'm like, dude, you lost your mind. And to do an hour and a half job to change the Corvette right there. It's an hour and a half job. You're not going to charge me $1,000 freaking dollars, okay? So anyway, guys, let me take you inside. Let me show you this AC Delco water pump that I got. Let's go. Okay, so what you get, water pump here, you get your gaskets, and I got a thermostat. Just to show you on here on the outside of the box, that does say AC Delco right there. Okay, now, part number for this water pump that I got, I'm going to read it off of the paper right here. It is AC Delco 890-18052, which I'm going to put in the descriptions below. Okay, now the thermostat I got is a thermostat AC Delco, which is that right there, is a 131-156 thermostat. That is 1766. Now, so when you order your water pump, don't order the thermostat, because guess what? The thermostat already comes in it and the gasket. So therefore, you don't need to order the thermostat. Don't be a dummy like me and waste another $18. So let me show you. Let me get this down. So as you can see, you already get a brand new thermostat housing. And if you see right down there, guess what? There's a thermostat right there. So that is a total of 17. Top one is 1766. I got to send this back. So with the thermostat, you do get the good gaskets right here, okay? And let me go ahead and pull this out. And there you go. I mean, it's just not much to it. Okay, AC Delco. GM. So now that I went over the water pump, let's go outside and let me show you what we got going on. Okay, so here it is right here, LS2. I'm not really going to go into much detail on how to take this front off, so you can get to the water pump down below. Pretty much the only thing it is, you just got mass air sensor right here. Take that off. Take your hose clamp off, pop that off. There's a grommet there, there's a grommet there, and there's a grommet that's on the inside here, and then on here, the whole thing will come out, okay? Now you'll be able to get to the inside. All right, guys, so that's it. I'm going to cut the video off from right here. It is dark, it is late, and it is at night. I really don't want to fool with it now, so I'm going to wait in the morning time and wait for my wife to come back, because she doesn't know that she's going to change it out. I kind of teased it around it, and I said, oh, yeah, honey. I said, I haven't done it. I'm going to wait for you. But you know what? She secretly likes it. She likes working on her car and, you know, making things happen. It shows pride, and, you know, she just gets excited about it. She's never done it before. So, hell, who's not excited about saving $800? So I'm going to stop it right here. We're going to start up the next morning and give it a little sun, and I'm going to cut to the nuts and bolts, finish this video up, and send you guys on down the road. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, so here you go. Today's the day I'm going to change your water pump on the old Corvette here behind me. So this video is not going to be much about a detailed swap out of the water pump. It's pretty straightforward. It's just 6 bolts, which I'm going to show you. I got it down here by my feet. It's just 6 bolts. It's pretty straightforward. It's pretty basic, like for the novice. They say it's going to take about an hour and a half time. But the video was about not letting the dealership rip us off. You know, like I said, they wanted close to damn near $1,000 and $450 for a stupid water pump, which I bought. Walmart.com. You know, it did come with a thermostat housing, the thermostat, and the gaskets, mind you, for just a little over $200. Free shipping, mind you, from AC Delco. So anyway, so let me go ahead and show you this water pump down here and show you what we got. So as far as this water pump goes, like I said, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's got 2 bolts here, which I believe is going to be the tensioner. And got the thermostat housing. The thermostat's inside. And when I ordered this did come with the gaskets as well. So you don't need to order the thermostat like I did. So I'm going to have to take that one back. So, okay, so guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you a little hack that I do when I do these water pumps and get into tight spaces, especially with little gaskets. So what I do is I go ahead and just use some little RTV silicone, and what I do is I go ahead and put me a little dab on the 4 corners here, okay? So I go ahead and set it down, and now, yeah, I know this is on the back side, but go ahead and put you some RTV silicone. Go ahead and put your bolts. Go ahead and put your bolts down with the silicone. Go ahead and press it down. Let it sit there for a minute. Let it sit there for about 30 minutes and let it dry. That way, when you get this thing up in that tight position and up underneath there, you're not having to fight these, okay? The silicone is not designed to seal it off by no means, but it's only there to go ahead and hold this in place, because these do a really good job. Once you get these things torqued down, you got a problem with them. So go ahead and do that. Trust me, you won't regret it. So up here on the top of the motor, the only really thing that you have to take off is your breather, which is just hose clamp right here, hose clamp right here, take off this here, and this whole center piece will come off. Well, there you go, guys. Got it all buttoned up, got it all looking good. All I gotta do is just go to the store now and get me some radiator fluid. So what I'm gonna do is I got these torque specs from GM Performance. I'm gonna put them in the description below. The only torque spec that's not in there that I saw was the idler pulley torque spec, which is 37 pounds. So again, to help you guys out, put a little dab of that silicone on there, let it dry for about an hour. That way you're not fighting it and them damn bolts in there at the same time. Trust me, it'll help you out. But other than that, like I said, this wasn't a video of an install. It's pretty simple. This was to help you guys out so the goddamn dealerships aren't ripping us off, you know, being $1,000. And it's about an hour-and-a-half job. It's really simple, though. I think the hardest part was getting them damn spring clips on there. I hate those things. So I know that there's a tool for it, but, you know, stupid me, I'm just using an old pair of vice grips. So that took me about 20 minutes getting them off and on. So, but other than that, guys, hope you liked the video. The Walmart.com of the SE Delco, I'm going to put that in the description below so you guys can take a look at that. So as always, thanks for watching. Click and subscribe. Hit that notification button so when I pop up another video, you guys get notified. So hey, again, thanks for watching. Drive safe. Be safe.